Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. Maybe you prefer a darker theme for your messaging application or you simply want to reduce eye strain during nighttime usage. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Chats. Here, you will find various options related to your chat settings. Simply tap on this Theme option to proceed. In this menu, you will see three options: System Default, Light, and Dark. Now, to enable dark mode, just select this dark option, then tap on OK. This will instantly switch your WhatsApp interface to a dark colored theme, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Now you can enjoy using WhatsApp with a dark background, reducing eye strain and providing a more comfortable viewing experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.